Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'll share with us my favorite Temu discount code. Yes, I have a favorite Temu code. Now, on my channel, I've been sharing different Temu discount codes. I share the code for gifts, I share the code for exclusive deals, and I share the code for €100 coupon. I also share the code to sign up. If you want to sign up and earn on Temu, I have the code for that. But out of all this, I have one that is my favorite, and I'll be telling us today. So my favorite is the exclusive deals code, or you can call it the amazing price code. Like, I love that code so much. This is how you can access it. Log into your Temu app, go to the Temu app search bar, and catch this code ACY 077290 and click on the search icon. And just like that, it brings you to this page. One thing with this code is that Temu is also going to add other deals to it. When you search for this code on your Temu app, you do not just get the exclusive deals. Sometimes they can add gifts or credit back or something. So now, at this moment, when I'm using this code, they are adding the gift to it. So I'm not really interested in the gifts. I just want to show us real quick what this my favorite code can do. So I'll click out of this. But if you're interested, you can go on when you're being offered the gift alongside this Temu amazing price code. Okay. Now, this is the amazing price page or the exclusive deals page as you know it. On this page, Temu has selected high quality items with 4.5 to 5-star ratings at discounted prices, at really good prices. Yes, the items here have really, really good prices. And these are items that people buy over and over again. You would see that there are lots of number of each of these items that have been sold. Yes, you can see 18,000, 5,000 sold, and just like that, the number of sales is on the high side and the price is the best. On the Temu app, you can see a particular item for different prices. That's because different sellers sell the same item at different prices. Of course, their quality can be different too, so we should be aware of that. So yes, this is what you get when you use the code. Anything you want at all. Let's assume I want to buy this um denim trousers. I'll just scroll down, go to the review section, and you can see from the review they're all 5 stars or 4 stars. This one that has 3 stars, let's read to see what the problem is. It's a bit smaller than expected and doesn't look like the one in the picture. So this person is saying the denim trouser is smaller, or maybe the person chose a wrong size. But aside that's the only low rating I've seen for this item. The other ratings is at 5 stars. So that's one thing I like this code. It's going to give you the best item at a really, really good price. Yes, the best item. So that's just it. Anytime I want to shop from Temu app, I use this code and I am sure that I am getting the best price, the best quality at the best price. Yes, I'm sure of getting the best quality of any item at the best price. So, why do I like this code? There are two main reasons. One, I already said the first reason. I'm getting the best quality of any item I want at the best price. And then secondly, this code works for anybody. It doesn't matter if you're a new app user or you're an existing user. Just search this code on the Temu app and you will definitely benefit from it. Those are the two main reasons I like this code. And yeah, there you have it. My best Temu discount code ACY 077290, which is known as the Temu exclusive deals code or the Temu amazing price code. Amazing price, that is what you get. I hope you've gotten value from this video. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe. You can leave your comments in the comment section and I'll be sure to reply you. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.